and learn with Jolene. Hi there. Today we are going to play and learn with Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Construct and play Mickey's dump truck. Look at it. Ooh, that dump truck looks awesome. And also there is 18 pieces. Whoa, that's a lot. You can also build it in 4 easy steps. And this is what it looks like, and these are the pieces. Ooh, those look so cool. And also these are the 4 easy steps. And the dumping thingy can move like that. Let's open it. I'm so excited to see what's inside so we can play and learn with it. Let's dump it. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff here. Look at what we have here. Ooh, let's see what we've got. Ooh, we've got some wheels, and there are 4 of them. So 2 here. Ooh, and there are some bolts to screw up the dump truck. Ooh, look at this. What do you think it is? It's a screwdriver. So you can screw all those bolts in. This is a little bit interesting, but I think that's supposed to be at the front. There are also 4 lights on it. Ooh, who do you see? It's Mickey Mouse. Ooh, hello Mickey Mouse. Now this. Ooh, this is an interesting bit. And this is the base. Let's learn about colors. What color is this? It's the color red. What color is this? It's the color blue. What color is this? It is the color yellow. What color is this? It's the color gray. What color are these bolts? These are the color red. What color are these wheels? These are the color black. Now what color is the screwdriver? It's the color blue. Good. Also, here we have our instructions to build this dump truck. Let's try to build it. First, we're going to start with this blue thing. Let's put on the tires. First, we need to put inside. And then we're going to take a bolt, put it inside. And here's the fun bit. Take the screwdriver and then screw it up. Like that. And that's how you put in the wheels. See? Ooh, that's cool. Now we have to do it to the rest of them. Yay, we did 2 of them now. Time for the next 2. Now for that one, and another screw. Yay, we did all 3. But there's still one more, the last one. Put it inside and screw it up. Yay! Now we are finished! Yay! But there's still something that we have to put on. Let's put on this one first. Yay, we put it on, but now we have to screw it in that hole. Let's use the screwdriver. Yippee! Now we're going to put in that thing. Now we're going to put it behind that yellow thing. On that thing. There. This is a little bit hard and tricky. And we did it! Ooh, that's cool. You can do that to that. Now for the front bit. We're going to use that gray thing. And then we're going to take a bolt, put it inside. This is the last thing that we need to do. And put it inside. Yay! Come on. Yay! We finished it! Look! Ooh! Look at Mickey Mouse in that truck. Whee! Let's try to put some fruits and veggies inside of here. Yay! Now some more. Some more. And another one. Another one. This holds a lot, guys. The potato. Yeah. I think we can fit one more. Let's put in a carrot. I think you can put in another one. We're gonna put that in. You can put definitely more than this. Yay. I think we can try to put everything. Where am I going to put these? Well, last one. Yeah, we put everything inside. Let's see if we can dump all of these. Let's put these fruits and veggies into to the farm for delivery. Let's go. Here comes the dump truck. Yay, we are at the farm now. Let's go dump it down. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Let's use the other one. Whoa! Look at all of these fruits and veggies. Let's group all the fruits and veggies in the same color. So this is purple, and these two are purple. Let's do green now. Green. Now to do some orange. Now for the yellow. The yellow has a big pile, you see? Next one is going to be brown here. It's just potatoes for brown. Bye guys. I hope you had so much fun playing and learning with us. I hope I see you in another video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below. And don't forget to press the notification button, which is a little tiny bell. Bye. And bye from Mickey and the fruits and veggies. It just got dumped down. Bye. Bye-bye.